You are welcome to another tutorial with Wings, and in this tutorial we are going to study about tangents. We are going to learn how to draw tangents on two circles, but when the circles are equal. So we are going to learn how to draw a common tangent on two equal circles. Yes, so our first step, we begin with first identifying the line, first identifying the radius of the circles. They are both 20 millimeters. Yes, okay. The tangent that we are gonna draw is supposed to be a common internal. It's supposed to be a common internal tangent, and these are steps that you are supposed to follow. First, draw a straight line from the mid of the first circle to the mid of the second circle, and then mark the mid as point A and point B. After getting point A and point B, we will be able to identify all the things that we need. Then after getting that point A and B, we will get line A, B, and with getting line AB, our first step is dividing line AB into two equal parts. And to divide this line, it's easy. Have to just drop a perpendicular onto it. So we are going to drop a perpendicular. So get our compass. After getting your compass, put it at line B, and then draw arcs up and down, and then go to line A, go to point B, draw arcs up and down. Have to make it a little bit longer, arcs up and down. Then you go to point A also, you draw arcs up and down so that they can intersect. And after intersecting, then draw a straight line there. But draw it when it's dotted so that it won't disturb you. I'm going to draw mine when it's dotted. Yes, thank you very much. So I think you see it's dotted. Then the second step, it's just drawing a semicircle. The point that we've got a point there, we've got a point of intersection on point A, on line AB, and this point of intersection we've named it point P. Yes, now we are going to use point P as our midpoint, middle point, and then AP or BP as our radius, so that we can draw our semicircle that we need. Now you stand at P, measure. Alright, after bisecting that line, we get PB or AB. Then we have to choose one of the sides, one of the new lines that we've got. Then again we bisect that line into two also, giving us another point of intersection, and that point will be called point. We'll get another point of intersection. I think you see that point of intersection, and that point which we've got is the one that we are going to use to draw a semicircle. This point, we are going to use this new point, and because we are drawing this semicircle only on P and B, on line PB. Yes, from point P to B. Now we are going to draw this new point of intersection. Is going to work as our middle point, our center, and then we draw a semicircle from point A to from point P to B. Then where this semicircle is intersected with the circle that we need, it's our point of tangency. So we will call it point V. It will be point V. Then you draw a line from that point to the middle of the point of the circle, and that line should be a little bit long so that it won't disturb you. We make mine also long. has to meet at the middle of the point of the circle, and it will be our normal line. Yes, it will be our normal line. Now we are going to slide. Sliding is very easy. Just put the back of the set square. Put the back of the set square on the line that you want to slide, and then the bottom of the set square, or the smallest part of the set square, on your long roller, so that you can slide. You have to make it accurate, and you have to make it leap onto the line, and make sure that the long roller does not shake. If it shakes, you can use a small roller, but the small roller won't be so accurate. You have to use a bigger roller. Then you slide that line to the center of the other circle, and then you draw a line coming down, because it's supposed to be a common internal. It has to be inside, and that's our another point of tangents that we needed, giving us another normal line. Then you get your pencil and your ruler, draw a line from point V to point X, giving us a tangent from point V to point X. Thank you so much, and now I wish you a very happy day. Thank you. Please subscribe.